Heavy rainfall over the past few days has caused flooding along the Brazos and Bosque Rivers and Lake Waco, causing the lake's water level to rise 20 feet above normal. According to the Army Corps of Engineers, it's going to be a few weeks before the water recedes back to a normal level. Multiple roads, parks, trails, and Lake Waco wetlands were flooded. The wetlands remains closed to the public. Residents should avoid getting in the water in either the lake or the rivers because of the strong current and all the debris that has flowed in. Be mindful that some areas may still be flooded. Stay safe, Waco. With temperatures on the rise, we are excited to announce that the splash pads have been turned on for the summer season. They are open daily from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. To find a splash pad in a park near you, visit waco-texas.com/splash. Cool off and have some fun with the family. The Waco Fire Department and South Waco Library hosted the first outdoor adventure club bicycle rodeo. Fire Marshal Larry Denman shared bicycle safe riding practices with the kids. Once the children in attendance received complimentary bike adjustments and sizing, the young cyclists put their fine-tuned bikes to the test on a designated course. The kids had fun getting ready for their summer adventures on two wheels. For more Waco-McLennan County Library events and programs, visit wacolibrary.org.